Create a dynamic calendar in Excel in just a few minutes. Let's go through the steps to create the calendar. We'll start by creating two lists, one list for the month and one for the year. We'll go to a blank tab and in column A type the months. The first list will be for January through December. In column B, we'll make the second list. You can use whatever years you require. I'm going to use 1990 through 2070. Once your two lists are created, go to a new tab. Create a location where you can select the year and month. We'll set up cells B3 and B4 with the labels. Then in cell C3, we'll use the data validation tool to select the months list. In cell C4, we'll use the data validation tool to select the years list. Let's do some formatting to make it a bit nicer. Now we'll highlight a 7x8 table. We'll add borders and then get rid of the grid lines on the sheet. Let's use the first row of the table to label the calendar month. We'll use the Merge and Center tool, then use the concatenate function to select the month and year. Let's color it green and the text white. In the second row of the table, we'll input the days of the week, starting with Monday and going through Sunday. We'll highlight this a lighter shade of green. Now let's input our key formula in cell E4, and I'll share this formula at the bottom of the video. At the end of the formula, we are going to select option 3 because option 3 matches the way we have the days of the week listed, Monday through Sunday. We need to format this cell to a date format. Now going across, we want to add 1 day, so we'll drag that formula across, and then going down, we want to add 7 days, and we'll drag this down to the rest of the calendar. We only need the day number in the calendar, so let's go ahead and fix that. Under custom, we'll use the lowercase d. Now we see we still have some days from the previous month and next month. To get rid of those, we'll use the conditional formatting. When we go into conditional formatting, we want to input a formula. We'll start with the first cell in the calendar, and if it doesn't match the month of cell E6, then we want it blank. We'll use the format with 3 semicolons to create the blank cell. And now we have our dynamic calendar where we can select any month and any year, and the correct calendar will automatically generate.